Hey people! So I have a piano. I also have a dog in the background who is in a cage. Relax, I'm not keeping the dog in the cage on purpose. It's just I need to do homework and she really doesn't like it when she's out and I'm playing the piano, so I'm trying not to do that. So I'm going to be playing. Yeah, I'm gonna be playing Hey There Delilah on a piano that is not good sounding. That's a C. That's a D. That's an E. That's an F. That's a G. That's an A. And this is a B. So that's you can hear her in the background. She doesn't like it, but I can't take any else. So I'm gonna be trying to play and sing. I am not that good at singing while playing the piano, so I'm gonna be doing my best. I accidentally tapped one. I accidentally tapped one of the white keys. So this is gonna be real awkward. Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Sounds great, can shine as bright as you. I swear it's true. Hey there, Delilah, don't worry about the distance. I'm right there if you get lonely. Give the song another listen. Close your eyes. I played that wrong, sorry. Listen to my voice, it's my disguise. I'm by your side. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 What you do to me. Hey there, Delilah, I know times are getting hard, but just believe me, girl, someday I'll play the bills with this guitar. We'll have it good. We'll have a life with no word. My word is God. I can't remember the next part. And this must sound so bad because I can't sing and I can't play the piano and the dog is just annoyed in the background. And the only reason I'm actually playing downstairs is because that's where my piano is. My piano is not a portable piano. And also because I need to practice, so the dog being there isn't actually like something I do anything about. Like I could let her out, but I'm the only one who's at home right now, so she would be alone and that would be stupid. But she's just like, please let me out, please stop playing, I don't like this. And I'm just like, I'm trying to practice for school. If y'all didn't know, which you probably didn't know, I go to school. I go to school! What the hell? I'm on my 12th year in school. I'm no longer in public school, at least where I'm from. And I kinda need to be playing the piano because my line is piano and English. So I'm just trying to play and the dog is just hating me. So, yeah. I should have printed out the lyrics for this song. I'm just gonna do the beginning one more time and then I'm gonna spare you from listening to this because it probably sounds bad. I'm actually practicing because I'm practicing for a band I'm doing in school. Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Times crack and shine as bright as you. I swear it's true. Hey there, Delilah. close your eyes. Listen to my voice, it's my disguise. I'm by your side. I bet you couldn't hear me at all in that part. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 What you do to me. And then I'm gonna play like the fast part. Nobody said I can play this part, so please bear with me. 1,000 miles, 1,000 miles seems pretty far, but there go trains and brains and cars. I want to if I had no other way. I played that wrong. Okay. 1,000 miles seem pretty far, but there go trains and cars. I want to if I had no other way. Friends would all make fun of us, and we'll just laugh along, because we know that none of them has felt this way. Delilah, I can promise you that by the time that we come through, the world will never ever be the same, and you're to blame.